fucked up. This is so fucked up. This is so messed up, and he still got oxygen going through him, and it still don't matter. Y'all are so shitty. Y'all are some shitty ass people. I swear to God, y'all some shitty ass people. His goddamn oxygen. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at that. Look at that.
Look, that's his oxygen.
Look at that.
His
Look at that.
oxygen.
Keep going. Keep going. Look at that shit. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that shit. That's the CEO. That's the CEO of the hospital. That's the CEO. That's the CEO of the hospital. Oh, y'all gonna get y'all asses sued like a motherfucker. Y'all gonna get sued like a motherfucker. I swear to God.
Dr. Glass.
Dr. Glass. Dr. Glass. Dr. Glass. Dr. Glass. Dr. Glass. Dr. Glass. Dr. Glass. Y'all see this shit? Y'all see this shit?
Come look at it.
I'm calling every motherfucking revolutionary. This shit is fucking horrible. They got my baby up here not helping him. They got my baby not helping him. Look at this. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. This is so fucking horrible. Look at that. Look at this shit. He got a blood pressure. He got an oxygen. He got a heart rate. He got pulse. This shit is fucking horrible, and they just sitting there.
Call the media to come.
Call CNN now. Call the media now. Call the media now. Call the media now. Call the media now. Keep going. 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 Call whoever you want, because we got people too, and they gonna be here. I swear to God, y'all are so fucking wrong. Y'all black. Y'all black. Look what they doing to our baby. Look what they doing to our baby, sister. Look what they doing to our baby, brother. Look what they doing to our baby, sister. Look what they doing to my baby. Look what they doing to my baby, sister. Look what they doing to my baby. Look what they doing to my baby. Look what they doing to my baby, sister. Look what they doing. CNN, share it to every media outlet that you fucking have. This is fucking horrible, y'all. Whew. This is fucking horrible, y'all, and the doctor's gone. The nurses are gone. This is fucking crazy.
Other than that, nobody's going to jail, but somebody needs to get life saved. So any officer that's I've been doing this by myself, I'm the only one that trained.
As a nurse, this video really saddened my heart. As a mother, it really broke me down. I want you guys to pray for the parents of Naeem Carter. Rest in peace. Salam, my brother. No parent wants to ever have to bury their child, not to mention to watch their child die right in front of them. And there's nothing you can do about it. Please keep them in your prayers. Share this video. God bless.